Welcome to another video, and we're here in Hollywood, California, 26th of March 2023, and it's a windy and cold morning here in LA. It's a Sunday morning and we're going to have a little walk around Hollywood Boulevard. Come and join us. So we've got the the coffee, bean and tea leaf. So we've got Madame Tussauds, the $10 shop right in front of us. So if you're after your gifts in Hollywood, $10 shop there. And let's have a walk down towards Grauman's Chinese Theatre. It's pretty bright here. So t-shirts $3.99, women t-shirts, hoodies $9.99. And we're here at Grauman's Chinese Theatre. Eddie Murphy. Betty Davis. So this is Grauman's Chinese Theatre here in downtown Hollywood. That's Steven Seagal. Hugh Jackman, Michael Caine, so these are the Chinese heaven dogs. So we've got Vin Diesel, Dwayne Johnson, Sandra Bullock. Pretty quiet on the boulevard at the moment. Just gone 8 a.m. Let's head up to the top level. And we can see the Hollywood sign back there. So we've got the Loews Hotel there. And we've got a Japanese food restaurant, Ultimate Japanese Cuisine. Looks like there's plenty of available space here for restaurants, etc. Used to be restaurants here, but it's now completely empty. So we can see the Hollywood sign there up in the hills. Entrance to the public parking there. $3 for 4 hours, $3 for 2 hours. I'm guessing that's with probably shopping here as well. And what I remember, it's a massive parking lot in there. And we've got the Gifts of Hollywood here. Used to always be the cardboard cutout of the President of the United States here. And all the souvenirs, key rings, pretty much whatever you want. Donald Trump, California license plates. So back on Hollywood Boulevard, wind's blowing strong again. Yeah. Mind you, it was yesterday, wasn't it? Still pretty quiet on Hollywood Boulevard this Sunday morning, just coming up to 9 a.m. Most of the tourists will probably start arriving about 10 a.m. I guess. Shops probably open about 10 a.m. So there used to be a Donald Trump star here. I believe it's been removed now because it was vandalised so many times. What's up there?
Yeah.
This is a pretty busy intersection here, Highland and Hollywood. So I hope you're enjoying this video today. Sunday morning, walking along Hollywood Boulevard here in Los Angeles. A few brave people with just t-shirts. It's a little bit cold. As you can see, the security have got the woolly hats on. So we've got the Dolby Theatre right over there. And this is the El Capitan Theatre. Amazing place, all the, look at the decor there. And we've got another good view of the Hollywood sign. There you go, you can see the Hollywood sign there. Got the Hard Rock Cafe. So this is the entrance to the Dolby Theatre. So a week ago the Oscars were there. That's where all the stars enter into the Dolby Theatre. So this is a shop, Zara. We've got the Hard Rock Cafe. So a really good view there of Groman's Chinese Theatre. Beautiful blue skies this morning, but it is so cold. This is Wahlburgers to the left. La La Land across the road's not opened up yet. So I hope you've enjoyed this video walking along Hollywood Boulevard on a cold, windy morning here in LA. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.